there was a secret chord David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya?
Well, it goes like this: the pause, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift, the baffled king composing Hallelujah.